We all love a little new, something different. Even though we've got our tried and tested, sometimes we just want something extra. And if you're someone who likes a little no fuss, slap it on, blend it with your fingers, then you're going to love these two new products. If you love them as much as we do, we may bring out more colours, but for now, there's just two colours that suit pretty much everyone because they're a liquid that you can blend, fingers, brush, with or without makeup. Yes, they are the new liquid blush and bronzer. Okay, now don't be fooled. This does look a little dark, but it's not. And I'm going to show you the colours now. So they come in an easy tube with an applicator. Wipe it on, blend it with your fingers, and you're done. Now this blush colour, I'll just show you on the back of my hand. I'm sorry. Beautiful. Yes. Actually, that would be a gorgeous eyeshadow colour. So, you can see look how easy that is to blend. Oh, seamless blending. That on your eyes, yes, hello, sister, I think so. So, that I've got on my cheeks already, but I'm just going to put a little bit more on just so you can see. So, you just like dab, dab, dab. I'm not going to need much because there's already some on there. But you just dab it. That's actually intensified it a little bit. And a little bit on the other side. Like you can see, like it's going to last you forever. It just hardly need any. Okay, and it's long wearing like all of the Adorn products. But to be honest, I am really liking these as something that's in my handbag as a quick little zhoosh. Just another little colour option, a different look depending on how my skin's feeling. But it's such a pretty colour. It's got a little bit of a luminescence to it as well, so it's going to give the cheeks a little bit of a lift. And then this is the bronzer colour. So you could probably use it as a bit of a contour colour as well. Okay. And see that there? So you could use it as a liquid contour. And maybe the applicator might make it a bit easier for you too. And then finger or a brush. Oh, look at that. Nice snatched line there. I haven't done that side, so you can see it's not as snatchy. You can see a little bit of this little bit of extra love going on down here. So let's do this side. Look at that. Might want to make sure I blend it under there a bit. Okay, and then you could use this on the cheeks, but I'm not going to because, of course, we've got the other one on. It's beautiful, but let's just do a little. This would actually be a nice eyeshadow colour as well. Again, I've already got a bit on, so I'm not going to put more. I'm just going to make it intensified a little bit. Oh, like, look how much. That was just actually probably too much. It just spreads, so that's probably the perfect amount on this side. Yeah. So, yeah, like, hardly need any, honestly. And it just, like, melts into your foundation. Oh, I love it. Okay. Loving myself sick. There we go. Need to grab both of these.